These are residents of my 12 area of Lagos protesting again in front of the Lagos State House of Assembly for the second time. After the first time they came there, failed to yield results. On December 15, 2025, the Lagos State government, through the LASBCA, deployed heavy equipment to the area and demolished hundreds of houses. According to the residents, over 200 houses were demolished at that period. So while everyone was getting Christmas gifts, New Year gifts, the people were being given gifts of homelessness. And on February 14, 2026, the Lagos State government also went there not to give them gift for Valentine, but gift for more demolition. They've returned here on the second day of March 2026 to also call on the government that the demolition must stop. Will they why would their voice be hacking to today? So, sir, what's your name again?
My name is Mr. Ogundele Tunde Joshua.
You are returning here for the second time.
Yes.
Are you hopeful for the government to really listen to you this time around?
We believe that the governor, in person of Sanwo-Olu, will listen to us, because the place that we are talking about, my 12, that they are demolishing, is a stronghold of APC, a stronghold of AD, and I believe Sanwo-Olu will not allow the wicked ones to demolish the block that has been built for more than 30 years now.
Okay, Nigerians may want to know, why were these homes demolished? Did you build in swamping area?
No, our place is not a slumpy area. It's not a shanty. It's a good land where the likes of late Funsho Williams built, where the great Benson of Ikorodu built, where the industrialists in person of Awodeyi, the chairman of industrial bank, built.
Who ordered this demolition?
What we knew was that the LASBCA came to our community without notice. They came and they started demolishing houses. They've demolished more than 200 houses now. More than 200 houses, and many people have died right now. The chief, one of the imam in our community, died last week Monday of high blood pressure.
So what's your message for the government?
Our message to the governor, to the speaker, and to all members of State House is that they should come to our aid and stop these wicked hearts of these wicked people. They should help the man protect the property, the lives, and pay due compensation to the land and for the land being for the houses being demolished. You come to our aid. We are begging.
Okay, you submitted a letter before now.
Yes.
What was the response?
Till now, no response.
Till now, no response.
Till now, we
Who attended to you the other time?
It was the honorable member representing Ekpe Constituency 2 that met with us. So after that, he promised that such a thing will not happen, that they will look into it, and we are still waiting for their invitation. Till now, no, they didn't invite us.
Thank you.
Nothing for now. That's why we are here again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So you've heard from him. They are still calling on the government to listen to them. Will the government listen to them? Will the state assembly do the needful? And with the local government chairman or chairperson also come to their aid, the person of Princess Samyat Abolale Badan, the executive chairman of Ikoyi-Isheri, under which this place fall into a purview. All they are saying is stop the demolition. And I'm telling you, the president knows.
I'm in about 12 which I do so many things in terms of this demolition. I have 2 houses which are losing with them, and my family are now sleeping under bridge, which I can say I'm alone. One of my daughter have asthma problem, and she's now under bridge due to this demolition. I can't say much because of in fact this thing has something in my life something like that, because of, in fact, this fasting itself, with the place I can stay and have some little food, I can find it again. Which before have two wives and so many children are staying in the houses, and now I can't have food. Ni ba wuce ne kuma ɗan arewa ne, kuma ɗan Kaduna ne, ina zaune a Lagos, wanda a Matuwaf an zo an mana rusau, wanda sassafe aka zo aka rushe mana gidaje sama da 600, wanda muna zaune da Hausawa da Yarbawa da Iyamurai, muna zaune lafiya ba tare da wani cikas ba, aka zo aka rushe mana gidaje. Wannan abin ya taɓa rayuwarmu kuma ya taɓa kasuwancinmu. Wannan abin da aka yi mana an mana shi ne bisa zalunci, wanda wata local government take yi abin nan. Shi kan shi a gwamnati sun ce su ba sani ba, amma ita ta zo tana yin wannan abin a cikin mutanenmu da yawa. Akwai wanda ma ba su da wani zama, wasu sun mutu ma saboda wannan abin. Marasa lafiyar mu ba mu sani na zamu kai su ba. Most of people that are here, because we have 2 to 3 hospitals there, we don't know where to take them because of this thing. Abin da ke kira gwamnati su duba mana wannan abu. Gwamnatocinmu na arewa da sauran gwamnatocinmu masu adalci su duba mana wannan abu. Akwai makarantun ƴaƴanmu wanda ba su zuwa makaranta yanzu haka. Akwai asibitoci wanda yanzu haka in za mu je kan asibiti sai mun je wani guri sannan mu je mu kai asibiti. In ta emergency babu inda muka iya. Muna kira da gwamnati su duba mana wannan abu. Mun gode.
Your name again?
My name is Shamsuddin Dauda Kunkumi.
What's your designation in my 12?
My decision about the demolition.
Your
General Secretary of my 12 Connect. That's my decision.
Tunde Joshua, the CDA chairman of my 12 Central. We are here to protest the illegal demolition of our property in my 12, Ikoyi-Isheri, my 12, Lagos. We woke up to the illegal demolition on the 15th of December 2025 without any notice. We asked them questions. We asked those people, the LASBCA that came to demolish our houses and our property. We asked them, but they gave us no clue, no reason for demolishing our houses and our property. So we came on the 17th of December to seek the help of Lagos State Assembly, and we wrote a letter also. Until now, no, they didn't call us. That's why we are here today, to show our grievances and to beg them to stop the demolition, this illegal demolition in our community. That's why we are here. More than 200 houses now. More than 200 houses. Many have died. Even one of our imams died on Monday, last week Monday, because his house was demolished also. He died of hypertension. And so many Hausas that died on the road back to their house, to their hometown. Many died. Yes. As assembly, yes. Yes. No action, no response till now. That's why we are here.
But have they come to do any more demolition after that?
Yes, they came. They came to demolish houses again. Even the only hospital, we have about 3 hospitals. One of the hospitals, they came down to demolish that hospital again, after giving us assurance that they will not come back. Because we met the chairman for lands and planning in person of Sylvester Ogukelu, honorable member representing constituency 2, and he promised us that that the hospital will not be touched again. But after that promise, they came back to demolish that place.